and it's a used car. It's silver, but it looks more like a bluish tint, but it's like perfect color. It's not, you know, a loud color. It's just a nice neutral color. So guys, I have a license border. It's gonna go right here. I'll show you guys what this looks like. There's two in here, one for the front and one for the back, but I'm just gonna be using one because Nam is gonna have the other one for the back of her car as well. Just sparkly. And guys, if you guys want the link to where I got this, it'll be in the description box. You got it on eBay. I'm gonna show you guys the back seat first because that's the uninteresting part. My Walmart desk, because I work at Walmart and it's just easy access. I don't like to keep it alone because sometimes I forget about it. But the back seat is just clean, cloth interior. Nothing spectacular about it. The door frame, just nice handle. So for my door handle, guys, I have a on and lock button, and then I have child lock, all the door switches, and then the mirror switches, and then just the door. This is the cruise control button, and this is like the music and audio buttons over here. You can go up for, you know, switching songs and everything like that. Okay guys, so these are my keys. Then I just have this key charm here. It's an elephant. It's blue and it sparkles. I got this. It says Puerto Paleta. I don't know what it says, but it just was cute to me. It has red water and then sand and seashells. Then I have this little sister key charm. Naomi has the other charm half, and it connects. Then my lanyard is just this Nike neon green Nike lanyard. Guys, this car has 54,000 miles on it. I think when I first got it, it had 52,000. I had this car for about 2 weeks now, so I ran up some miles. In this compartment, it's like a little cubby. I always keep some Ice Figures deals in here. And then guys, I have some lip balm here. I actually need some. In this cubby, I keep my Bath & Body Works lotion. Warm & Vanilla is my favorite lotion scent. And then I keep another original one just in case boys don't want to smell like this and they need some lotion. I have this one. And I have quite a few things in here actually. I have some cucumber melon hand sanitizer, which smells really good. Naomi gave this to me. Then I have some lip gloss. Then I have some Mentos mint gum, 2 pens in here, and I have a lot of vanilla scents. I love vanilla. That's my favorite scent. I have my glasses because at night I need to see. And then I have my insurance paper. Then in this compartment I have some more hand sanitizer that I use now. Then I have some change in there. Over here I have my charger, and I have 3 masks. Probably can downsize to 1 because I don't need 3. They're just 2 cup holders. This is for the trunk. Not sure what this one's for. Then up here is just my mirror. But on here, just you could put something, probably a picture or something. I'll probably end up putting a picture right there. Then this one's the same way. I want to show you guys this part. So I'm about to close the door. You don't need to close the door, but you can. I can turn my switch on, but not all the way on. It says Chevrolet my link. Then I press home. I have Apple CarPlay, and I always have that on. So then once, where's my phone? Do I not have my phone? All you have to do is literally plug up your phone. CarPlay. It'll go straight to the CarPlay. And when you're rolling, you can literally say, I'm gonna turn this back on. Turn the volume back up. I don't want to copyright it, so. Go to phone, music, maps, messages, Apple Music, podcast, audiobooks, calendar, setting, Google Maps, Spotify if you have it on your phone. I'll text my mom actually. You hold this button here, the talk button. Text mom. Hi, just checking out this. Okay guys, so my mom just texted back. I can just click it.
Mom said hi.
She just said hi.
Would you like to reply?
No.
Okay.
So then that's that, and then it'll go right to back to your music if you have music playing. Then my favorite part about my car, besides this part, is my steering wheel. I love my steering wheel. It sparkles in the sunlight, and I like the color because it matches this gold emblem, the Chevy gold emblem, and it just goes perfectly together, I feel like. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Like this video and comment and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.